Hi everyone, Jono here. I want to do a playful Easter experiment with you. These are the ingredients we need. 1 balloon, a small sheet of aluminium foil, a little bit scrunched up and then flattened out is a good idea. I'll explain why later. A tube that's 2 or 3 centimeters in diameter to fit that foil. And you probably have some of these left over from recent holidays. Easter egg foil wrappers flattened out. Someone kindly donated these wrappers for my experiment today.
Hey Jono, what are you doing?
Nothing! Pardon. Firstly, blow up your balloon and tie it up. Sprinkle pieces of the egg foil on a flat surface, just like this. Then rub the balloon in your hair, give it a really good charge, but then hold your balloon above the foil, but don't let the balloon touch them. Whoa, did you see that? Whoa, look at the way those foils are dancing. Pretty cool, huh? Now another thing you can try is grab your alfoil sheet and wrap it around your tube. Make sure it's tight, nicely squished together, and then slip the tube out of the roll. You can use a charged balloon for exactly the same thing. You can use it to roll this tube across the table. Whoa, how cool is that? Enjoy experimenting with your static balloon. Another place you could try experimenting with static is in your laundry. Next time the dryer finishes a cycle, if there's a sock in there, see if you can pull it out and throw it at your shirt. And if that sticks, that is static electricity too. Thanks so much everyone. I'll see you next time for some seriously fun science.